A daily enlightenment.
Okay, introduction. We are from group of number 4.
Yes, number 4.
Group of number 4.
My name is Elisa. My name is Jenni.
My name is Andry.
My name is Jonathan Christian Putra.
His name is Andreanto. The introduction video is gone.
And now we will tell
How to make a daily enlightenment.
a daily enlightenment.
Okay, get your book and pen ready. And we will start with the steps. Step 2, make a daily enlightenment.
For the step
1. First, we do IPK by writing 5 words following the previous words starting from Matthew.
Next,
We listen to our sermon at the morning blessing and to notes.
After that, write down our daily work in home, like helping our parents. And finally, we complete the daily enlightenment with signatures from our mentor for accountability.
Reading daily enlightenment is not just school enlightenment, but spiritual habits that build discipline and mold character.
That's how we make a daily enlightenment. Hope it's useful and thank you.